What a beautiful and absolutely amazing, refreshing, rejuvenating beauty. Water is so pure. Look at that beautiful space vibe. It's a different vibe altogether here. Wow. You can just sit hours together here and just keep looking at this magnanimous beauty. What a powerful space to refresh oneself. One must take time to be in rejuvenating environments and also in great company, close to nature. You're blessed if you're staying closer to beach. You're blessed if you're staying closer to the mountains. You're blessed if you're staying closer to the waterfalls. Like humans like us, we shift between cities and spaces like this, but I ensure that most of the time I am closer to the nature, waterfalls, beach, mountains. Essential. Our gracious time, stay blessed, stay energized. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and travel explorer. Have a great day.